Good morning, Chetna.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, so as you have completed both the literature studies, I think you have started off with your concept.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are you doing in your concept right now?
Ma'am, I have sketched all the necessary elements I need to place. Should I show you? And then I will
Yeah,
finalize my.
yeah, sure. Chetna, you will be sharing me it on the WhatsApp or you are showing it right now?
Ma'am, I would be sharing my screen.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, it is visible, Chetna.
Ma'am, writing text has to be included in this, so there are spaces left for that.
Okay. What you have done in this?
Ma'am, basically, um, I have decided to take a theme of, I would say, theme related to animals and nature.
Okay,
Basically, animals are a good source to learn from, and they even enhance the space with their different vibrant colors. So it solves both the purposes. So um, for the chairs or the seatings to be provided in the classroom and the activity areas and the restrooms, there are these animal chairs, couches type, and then towards the extreme left, I would say, there is a table which is in the shape of a cloud, and then these cloud
okay. To the
they have
extreme
these
left. Okay. Hmm.
shells which are again in the shape of clouds next to the table,
Okay.
and
Yeah, yeah, I totally get this.
next to these animal chairs there are these again those cloud fixtures. These are basically the ceiling lights, and the balloons next to them are even the ceiling points. A creative idea to perform a good ceiling lighting fixture basically.
Okay.
And then these next to this balloon towards the left, there
Yeah.
is this swatches I want to make for the flooring that I want. So when
Okay.
I will color this, it would be easy to understand.
Hmm.
And next to those swatches there are these couches which I thought to place them in restrooms and some in activity area also.
Okay.
Above that there is a huge colorful colorful couch which is basically represent idealized from mountains basically. And this form of seating I have chosen for the library.
Okay.
then the matlab, next to that couch, in the extreme top corner, there is a this is a shelf, a storage shelf basically for the classes, and then some planters and plants to enhance the surrounding.
Okay, nice. So basically, you are like for individual room, you have a different kind of theme. Like in library, you want this mountain kind of like reclining seating. Now, basically, it's like
Yes,
sofa
ma'am.
or couches where people can like stretch their legs. People children, sorry, children then stretch their leg can easily read it. You can also add some like if you are adding these couches, you can add like normal like formal seatings as well if you want for
Ma'am,
this
basically, I would be combining all these forms of seating, matlab, not those basically which I have opted for library, the ones
yeah,
these animal couches, so they could be used anywhere. Matlab, I have not specifically chosen for the classroom. It is specific that I would be using that rabbit eared chair, which
yeah.
is, and those the two the which have their animal faces, they are basically for activity and library. All the other rooms which could be used for say a music room or a singing dancing room requires a space to sit, so I can place them there even.
Okay, fine, freeze it then. And what is about this cloud table where you are using this in the activity room?
No, ma'am, these are the tables for the classroom. These tables and these rabbit eared chairs are a set in together.
Okay, for your classroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you'll be placing a individual table and a chair for one student. Fine,
No, ma'am.
that's good.
Basically, this cloud table has is a basically is a
Okay,
good
I understand. The
diameter, so
cloud table.
3 to 4 students can sit in a particular table.
Okay, got that. Means the table is larger in size, and at least 4 to 5 students can sit on
Yes,
with
ma'am.
this table.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. You can freeze this and make sure whatever you have to do with the writing part, complete it. That's
Okay,
fine.
ma'am.
And also mention what kind of plants you're using, like where you have made the planters, you have enough space to like just to mention. Don't like describe everything, but you can just mention ki, what kind of plants you'll be using.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Otherwise, like later when we're doing other stuff, like other drawings and detailings, there you can mention the material you have used, or you can just specify what kind of material you have used, like when you describe your furniture.
Ma'am, actually, I have also created that virtual concept sheet which I told you.
Okay.
They contain basically a clear image of what I am wanting to put on my concept sheet. So, should I show you that?
Yeah, you can. Otherwise, you can freeze it once and then you can like
Show
discuss
both of
both
them
the things
together. Because
together.
I would be submitting both these sheets together, basically.
Acha, then discuss it right now only.
Okay.
Tell me what you have done.
Yeah. Give me a minute, ma'am.
Yeah, sure, sure. Take your time.
Ma'am, I would be getting back to you for that concept in a minute. Actually, I
Um, no
am.
problem, Chetna, no problem. Do one thing, start with your concept, like whatever you have done. One thing I would like to mention, the table which you have made, just increase the size of the table so that it looks a bit proportionate. Otherwise, everything is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Start working on that, and like in the next class, maybe you can discuss it. Till then, you will be like ready with it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, and Chetna, please ask other people to join as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so take half an hour, work on whatever you are doing with your concept and your your visual display as well. And after half an hour, we can discuss that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Chetna.
Ma'am, I found out that concept sheet should I show?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, yes, it is visible.
Ma'am, basically this is what I am trying to portray in my concept sheet.
Yeah, I get this. So, starting from the shelves which you are using for storage, then you have this couch for the library, which was your mountain kind of, which reflects your, like the theme was the mountain.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then you have light fixture in the shape of balloon, then couches for the activity room, wall murals, and chair, that rabbit ear one, and then two and different animal kind of chair, then table for the classroom in the cloud shape.
Yes, ma'am.
uh, Different like rubber flooring using different colors, and like the panel ceiling lighting in the shape of cloud,
Yes, ma'am.
and different kind of wall murals. Okay, this is great, this is fine. You can like complete your concept. uh, yeah, start working on your concept, it's fine. Great.
Thank you.
Thank you.